Hello and welcome to Microwave Me, the show where I microwave shit so you don't have to. Today, I'm going to be microwaving a mango. So far, fruit items have largely been pretty disappointing, so I'm hoping this item from the produce section with its thick skin will buck that trend. And I don't know if you saw what happened to Jessie, but let's just say she really isn't usable for most experiments, even if she still works. So, because of that, I present the Danby microwave that I have named Danielle. Well, now you know what a mango does in a microwave, and be honest, it's really not much. And did it? Yeah, it leaked. Tasty. At least it's got that going for it, but now to remove the post-product. Very gushy post-product to examine it. It definitely didn't blow up. It just kinda did what the watermelon did on a smaller scale, only seemingly less squirty. So, as to whether or not it's safe to microwave, sure, why not? I mean, I don't see the point to it. I mean, why would you want a warm mango? Mangoes are much better cold, but if you want to do it, I don't see why not. But this is also why I've been phasing produce items out of my show. They don't really do much.